This is a 2013 Acura MDX. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, a low tire pressure indicator, a premium audio system, satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning with vents for rear seat passengers, a pass-through rear seat, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Goodson Acura is located at 4801 Lemon Avenue in Dallas. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.